All right, so today's the explore task. And what we're going to explore today is we're going to think about the cellular respiration. Okay, so remember the chemical equation for cellular respiration. We have glucose and oxygen are the reactants, and then our products are carbon dioxide and water. And the output is energy that is stored as ATP. Okay? So, in order to figure out what animals and plants need to survive and grow, which is in your engage, and how these organisms must interact with their environments to get what they need, we're going to conduct some investigations. So, what we're going to do today, we did some group work. So, we had our group norms and our group work. And what we're going to do is we're going to do some cellular respiration. How do we know that cellular respiration is actually happening? So what we did is we reviewed the chemical equation, and then we're going to follow some procedures. So we're going to answer these questions in our guide. All right, so there is a link here to the Task 3 investigation card. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a small straw and a beaker and some bromothymol blue solution. And the BTB solution is an indicator, meaning that it indicates a specific substance when present by changing colors. So one group member is going to place the straw into your solution and blow softly for as long as you can until you see the color change. And then we're going to see what happens. All right, so based on your knowledge of the chemical reaction for cellular respiration, what substance do you think the BTB indicates is present in the solution? So what I have is this is the BTB solution, all right? And then this is the BTB solution that has changed color. Okay? So this used to be the same color as this one, and it has changed some color. All right, after something has happened to that. So that is an example of something that happened that we added to that. All right, what do you think happened? Okay. So original color is blue. Color after exhaling probably is going to be yellowish green. So if you said that yellow or green means carbon dioxide, you are correct. Because if you look at our chemical equation here, glucose and oxygen, and then we are blowing out carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide is what that color means, that there is carbon dioxide in that water. Now, if you look at this one, this has a plant in it. And the plant gives off carbon dioxide using photosynthesis. So that is why this is not blue, because the plant is giving off carbon dioxide. So, which is a hint for your next investigation. What we did next was we had our BTB blue and indicator for carbon dioxide, and we turned it yellow. So now what we're going to do is we did an experiment using these two. So what we did was we put BTB blue in both of these, and then Alodia plant, 2 Alodia plants in this one. We covered them with aluminum foil, and we let them sit overnight. Now this has been sitting for several days, and it's still that color. Okay, it hasn't gone back to blue, which means those plants are still alive, and they're still giving off carbon dioxide. So if you wanted to see this experiment in live action, you could go and click here. That will take you, oh, there is, in the explain section, there is a video. All right, so what chemical reaction in plants happens in plants? Okay, so that's what we did on that one. So your observation, so they're both blue. All right, and then we drew a sketch, which is similar to this. All right, that is in your Explore section. Okay, so that's what we did for Explore.